It's the 6th of December, 2013, and these are market truths. And what are market truths? Facts, based on the facts. We're going to look at the S&P 500 here just in a moment because we left that yesterday, remember? This is pretty easy, pretty simple to look at. Dollar is down, so that means stocks will be less expensive. So the market is up. Bonds take a little bit. Bonds are behaving today. So S&P 500 on the daily. Here it is. Each candle represents a day. We talked yesterday and we were lamenting about our trend line that's been drawn in for 2 years, 2013. This is the top part of the channel. This is the bottom part of the channel. This is all you need to know to trade. You can lament and listen to all the news sources you want. And I challenge you to go look up on each one of these days what the news source was and tell me how you would have traded that. Or would you simply have known here that by the fourth candle, this one, in an evening star pattern, it's going to be a trip to test this support, and the bottom of the channel, as it did here, So you can do this with your individual stocks, but more importantly, this today is holding support until otherwise proven differently. Monday is a new trading day. The stochastics have now pointed back up with a crossover after reaching 25. And as we mentioned yesterday, our slow stochastic was not reacting to this down move. This is a much slower indicator. MACD is still negative, unfortunately, so this is still a toss. But the RSI reset back to 52 on the daily and pointed upwards, and we could get right back up here through 70. Remember, the markets, based on debt and credit, can do anything they want at any time they want, and probably will. The big story today are the banks. Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citi, and CIT Group, Morgan Stanley, Bank of New York, BX, Blackstone, and who else are we forgetting? JP Morgan, and how about Goldman Sachs? But the real story is to look at the monthly double bottoms, inverted head and shoulders. And as you see, JP Morgan, this is Goldman Sachs, broke through this 2-month candle here. So in 2 months, it fell from $164 down to a low of $73.15. So can it not go up in 2 months? Well, it's a little bit slower to go back up in 2 months, but once it got into this candle, it was a ride to the top, was it not? So, can we break all-time highs? What about Wells Fargo? Already did it. Bank of America, it's on its way. Hint. Cinnabus, it's on its way. Hint. Regional Finance, it's on its way. Hint. Huntington Bank, on its way. Hint.